grilled chicken. Yeah, that place.
You want to go there? Oh, it's ages away.
Yeah, on the way home.
I just had it last night.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's much better. How was this?
The Taj? Oh, yeah. Bro, I've seen it.
It doesn't come with the strikes out like 230. Bro, I have 36 decent photos, bro. Bro, I need to like put on like bunch of
We just did it. Loop. Bro, I played on the nicest field yesterday. In Port Vegas.
I was just in this field.
It was so. Bro, have you seen those like school toy fields? It was so nice.
Oh, like,
It was in Broad Meadows. Like, no, I don't know whose field it was.
bro, ours was so shit. I was slipping over everywhere. It was so muddy. Boxers was shit.